See, aesthetically pleasing house is okay. Aesthetically pleasing bedsheet or curtains, so everything was okay. But now these girls have started some new aesthetically pleasing trendy drink, matcha. Huh? Matcha ante. Last time I called my chaddi dost, I called him Macha. I said, Yen Macha, Engidia. Okay, why should girls have all the fun at all? I also tried this new internet trending drink. Okay, it was tasting like some green color grass milkshake. Girls, ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್? Aesthetically pleasing food, it should please your taste buds, yeah, it should please your stomach also, your health. But matcha, you try this matcha, okay?